Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my number 10 business envelopes. I purchased these envelopes because I still write letters and send them out to people. But my husband also uses these envelopes for sending out work documents. And that's one of the great things about these envelopes. The number 10 envelope is a standard size for business communications and fitting most letters, invoices, and documents perfectly. But what I really love about these envelopes is that it comes with a self-seal closure, which is a huge time saver in terms of efficiency. And that means that I don't have to spend time moisturing or licking the envelope. I just have to simply peel off the backing and seal the envelope effortlessly. What I also love about these envelopes is the side seam detail, and I just think that it looks very professional for your mailings. And that's my point of view.